If you're looking for the best LED solution for metro stations, parking garages, corridors, warehouses, and similar spaces, what should you choose? ShineLong Alpha Vapor Tight. Why? Because it's designed for easy installation and maintenance, saving you time and effort. Plus, it can reduce energy consumption up to 80%, making it extremely cost-efficient. It comes with a 5-year warranty and will work for 50,000 hours. Alpha Vapor Tight is resistant to water, dust, dampness, and vapor thanks to the PC diffuser and PC body, and is SAA, UL, CE, RoHs and ERP certified. It's available in 0 to 10 volts, TRIAC and DALI dimming, and can be used as an emergency light. Need it with a motion sensor and in Meanwell version? You'll get it. In short, with Alpha Vapor Tight, you'll get everything you need for lighting railway stations, parking garages, galleries, and more. So get them now and have your perfect solution for a long time to come.